guys, we're going to do this. This is a little different. Oh, that's a shadow. There's Bronco. You'll see on YouTube tonight. This guy's, I'm going a little bit fast, that's why. I think I was going uphill. Yeah, that's why I was jumping gears and all that, guys. It's insane because you don't realize you're going all uphill. And you can really get some speed going down here. Down here, obey speed limit, see that? I'm riding the brake a little bit. I want to get these cars in without, I want to give them proper due. I don't know if I went as far as they go, but there's plenty of places to park, guys. I'm not kidding you. Oh, yes. All right, here's a nice looking Caprice. Everybody looks like Kenny Rogers anymore. It seems like either that or... Yeah. There's that Stang. And here's these. Like I said, I'll catch this on the flip side. I hear something. I respect people that have those vehicles. I'm just not into them. I'm sorry. That's a nice notch. Real nice notch, guys. Look at that, guys. A 34 mob sled. Here's the kicker. Check it out. Oh, there's that Mustang, guys. I told you about it. See that? You get to see an extended stay on that bad boy, guys. I'm not kidding you. There's that notch, guys. You got that notch. There's a yank on them. Probably a replica or something like that. And then that's a funked-out vehicle. Yeah, this is insane. I'm actually beating the traffic. That's nuts. Yeah. Side there, see that, guys? I gotta get over. Here comes Mr. What the heck do they call him? Yeah, that's Shaboom. Hey, that guy's in Frankenmuth all the time. It's nuts. Guys, I'm gonna get over. Yeah, I'm gonna do this, guys, because you don't get to see these very I need you to see this. Guys, check that out. Check that out, guys. That's my dream car right there. Dolphin Sprint. Yeah, that's the bomb. Look at these. But look at this Falcon, guys. U.S. Air Force. Yeah, that's a stand-up. Sorry, guys. I just had to adjust my glasses a little bit. Hey, these guys supposed to be in Vassar, not down here, for God's sakes. How's it going, guys?
Good, how you doing?
Good, I'm filming these guys. You know, I was here in Vassar, I talked to these guys.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I saw it when I went by. I figured out I gotta try one last thing because It's this, then Frankenwood. That's it. You know that? Yeah, he's got a night. What time you get in here this morning? About 6 or?
No. About 8 o'clock.
There's plenty of parking here. There's no doubt. Yeah. This first.
It was pretty empty when I got here.
This is the first time I've been here. You know what? This is 10 times better than Woodward. I was at Woodward Friday and Saturday, and it's like either you want to see everyday drivers or modern. I call it modern muscle, which nothing wrong with it, but
not here.
No, I like the fact that they keep everybody out, other than the guys like yours. No.
Well, I was just talking to Jeff because he said he just did a tour, ran all the way down to the other end and back, and I was asking him, I said, how was the traffic? He says, just like that. They're rolling.
Yeah.
They're all rolling.
I went about a quarter mile further down there. How much further does it go to that end there?
Down to Ford Road.
I'm not familiar. Is that like another 2 miles, 1 mile?
Probably
mile.
No, it's got to be further than that.
Is it? It looked like it didn't have as much, cars parked further down.
Yeah, it's scattered around. Everybody's got their spots. I mean, there's a lot of people that rent spots.
Oh, do they?
Yeah, they'll actually rent a whole spot and flag it off.
Yeah.
For their clubs and organizations.
Yeah. Man, I'll tell you what, I love your car and I love his, but that black Falcon Sprint down there, that's. Yeah. I hate to say it. I mean, if I'm going to be for it, I actually like that better than Stangs. Mm-hmm. I'm not going to keep you. I just want to say hi. I saw your car, and your car sticks out because of the color combo. You know that? No, you have a nice day. Yesterday I was in Grand Rapids for their 28th Street. That's not worth going all the way 2 hours driving for that. That's.
I've heard stories both ways.
First time I got 5 videos on YouTube of it, so it's enough. I got enough to cover it,
Mm-hmm.
But it ain't like today. This is how Woodward used to be. Remember? Yeah.
Back in the day.
Oh yeah, everybody had nice cars parked. Hey, I take care of that.
You too.
Yeah, real nice guy. Those guys are real nice.
Here that they have a whole
Yeah, just a wonderful experience. These people are really nice. I didn't go to the inn, guys, I'll be honest with you. I'm going to probably bring out my chair and film a little bit. I don't know if I'm supposed to be on this sidewalk. I'm going to get over because I should be on that side, filming that side. But let me see what happens. I just got to get these last little cars. There's so many nice ones. It's like crazy. Yeah, look at that in the back. How about that vert? Yeah. Yeah, I'm going to do it like this, guys, because there's not as much on that side as this side. And this will be a little closer shot. Yeah. That's that car that's like eat off that. You got that stuff over there, guys, but I mean, this stuff is like insane. Yeah. How about this, guys? I gotta get some water, use the bathroom, get my chair, and we're gonna enjoy a little bit of the day here before I have 2 hours driving back. Oh boy. Yeah, it gets a little tight here. Maybe I'll get up. Yeah. I know. There's that 6-pack car. One thing about cars, guys, you respect them. You treat them with a ton of respect, the owners with respect, and you'll never have a problem being around them. It's when you don't go that way and you can run into some issues. But yeah, I'm going to try this. Yeah. That got a little choppy, guys. I apologize. Climbing uphill, one hand, holding the camera. You don't want that. You know what I mean? You don't need that. You don't want that. 66 with all T-ators. There's modern muscle, well, kinda. There's a 340 car. That's kind of neat. Looks like my son-in-law. That's whacked. Maybe in it. He's not really a Jesus freak. That's the thing. That's a nice C10 slammed. Listen to the rumbly on that thing, guys. Yeah. There's no place to park. You got the rumbly, you got the tumbly, you got the rumbly tumbly. Yeah. This is the t-shirt area. This is where the sign-in area, I guess you'd call it, guys. You can buy this, you can buy that, you can buy that and this and that. Oh. Cruising times. You know. Everybody needs some time. I always got to be careful. I don't want to hit anybody. I don't want anybody hitting me. That's the main thing. Man, I'm almost scratching that guy that had the... How about that, guys? That's the Chevelle in Michigan. That's why you see a lot of Chevelles, but how about this? That's an old guy driving it, too. That's nuts. Well, old, he's probably 5 years older than me. You got this. That's for sale, guys. Slammed. How about that? That Tourism Conquest TSI. That's a Chevelle. That's nice.
Pretty disappointed in
yeah, I don't want to be on this side, but I don't want to have. Ford, how'd that get in there? A couple Galaxies. Oh yeah, that's a lot of Ford stuff there too. I apologize. This guy's getting extended stay. I mean, I'm going faster than he is. That's what's insane. And I'm not even going fast. I mean, that's how slow this traffic is right now. Oh sure, yep, thank you for letting me know that. You don't remember me. He doesn't remember me. Oh, that sucks. Of course, I turned him down. Oh, yeah. Like I said, guys, this is nuts. Didn't see my brother-in-law yet. That's kind of odd. This colored car was common seeing around in my area when I was young. Maybe not as nice, but not nice wheels on it. Yeah, this is gonna be nuts because I gotta climb hill and hold one wheel. Like I said, the worst scenario I'd have right now is getting a ticket, but I'm not on the road. I'm parked on the road. I'm parked on the grass, but it'll be interesting. We're gonna check that out when I get back to the other end because I got the cars I need just in case I can't park there or get a parking ticket. apologize if you're getting any wind in the mic. I'm getting just a little bit of breeze right now, which is feeling good, but it's not good for mic sound. Yeah, I need to. There's a stretch here. There's no cars on one side. There's a little bit on the other side. I'm catching the ones on this side. You got this 69 Rally Sport. Beautiful car, white. Check it out, guys. These cars are actually literally standing still. I'm moving, but they're not. This is, look at that Fairline. And you got this. Yeah, you can see people making noise because there's a lot of cops here today. This is a big event down in this metro area, so they're not going to see a lot of stuff. Oh, wow. Let me see what we got. Oh, that lady's a little tipsy. I think the heat's getting to her because she doesn't look like the type that'd be drinking. Let me see what we got here. That's a nice Z. It's busier here, guys. It's for some reason it's busy at the west side. There's a VW truck. I've never seen them. I hope that I never see them again, but no, I'm just kidding you. That's a nice Mach 1. That's a yellow was common in the Mustang.